Today we're joined by Cliff Chambliss. He is the author of Entrepreneur Power Up and an online mentor.
I'm Logan Crawford, and right now on Spotlight, we're diving into the extraordinary world of Chris Chambliss with Entrepreneur Power Up, my ad-free startup.
But I had no marketing budget whatsoever to sell them.
And the big crisis is that they don't have the budget for expensive advertising. So you're right.
Creative ways to get people to come to my website.
The number one advice I have for people is to make your company, your product, your business about your community that you're building online. And that's why I coach my community to follow what their passions are and build a business around that. Because if you're very excited about what your business is about, you're going to be more likely to get back up and pick yourself up.
An example I can give is the power of leveraging community. Everything you do in your social media is not necessarily about your product. It's about the people that you're helping. It's about your community.
I needed to get people to talk about my product.
Or to, better yet, even talk about my product.
And through my book, I discover ways on how to do that. Year's end, I ended up selling my company to a larger company, and that solved a lot of those problems.
I could be happy the rest of my life with this story alone, and it validates that everything that happened in that 1 year period that I tried, that I talk about in my book, works for people. I was able to partner with that company and help them design their new product and launch, and got a positive review on Forbes magazine.
He has a lot of great advice for you on how you can turn your idea into action and how that action can become a revenue source. I'm Logan Crawford, thanking you for your time this time. Until next time.